Hey guys, just where we last left off, welcome back. So we're got the Evo here, awesome Evo, and then we got the Lotus Elise. We're taking the Lotus Elise to get some, hopefully gas that'll make it, allow it to drive, and then hopefully get some air in the tires and just head back home. I'll probably just store it at my side of my house for right now until I can get a unit that I can put it in, and then we'll start building on this Lotus. I don't think too much crazy building is gonna come onto this. I think what we're gonna be really focusing on is getting this thing back to ship shape, including building a new clam on it and whatnot, but right now we're just trying to get the car home. So let's go ahead and jump in the Evo, jump in the Lotus, and
all right, so we're in the Lotus and we are on our way out of here. How awesome is that? The windshield's really dirty. So yeah, I got 1 bar of gas. I'm already scraping though, the whole lip is scraping on the way out of the driveway. I'm following my girlfriend, she's in my Evo 10. This is how dirty the windshield is. I'm gonna try it. Oh, it worked! The windshield worked. All right, here we go. We're climbing up out of here. Smooth exit onto the highway for the very first time. Insurance is on the car. And we're off. You guys ready for this? Listen. Oh my gosh, it boosts. It boosts like a crazy person. So we can actually turn the dash light over here. Let's see if that, oh yeah. So the dash is on now and we are driving. 6,000 original miles on this car. Clean title, beautiful. We'll fix the check engine light. It does need gas. It does have 1 bar. Temperature is 181 degrees Fahrenheit. That's fine. Yeah, we're off. I can't see anything out of this windshield. It's so dirty. This is crazy. Crazy awesome. So excited. So I'm gonna put the camera down until we go to the gas station and get some gas and some air in the tires. Okay, so we already used that 1 bar of gas. I think we'll make it. If not, I got the Evo behind me. The Evo's back there, so the Evo will help us to go get more gas if we need it. The front lip is scraping quite a bit, so that makes me extremely nervous. I wish I could have removed that carbon fiber lip, but unfortunately it was more difficult than I thought. So like right here is a big dip. Oof, okay, we made it past. Okay. But yeah, so wow, I cannot believe this thing only has 6,000 original miles. That's awesome. 187 degrees Fahrenheit is what it's showing right now. It's pretty fun. It's pretty cozy in here. The windows work, and it is the touring package, so it does have the little window switches, and then it has the black door inserts that are leather, which is what I've always wanted on mine, so I'm really happy. Though I have one complaint about this car, and then it's not red. That's it. I mean, a Lotus Elise that's turboed, I'm fine and it's happy with this, and if I eventually want to wrap it, then I can do that for myself as well. But this is my new favorite dream car, so it's pretty cool to have one of these, and everyone knows that I'm obsessed with the 2ZZ, so I have pretty much the most exciting version of the 2ZZ, especially since it's boosted as well. I am going to take my Mitch Dore, swing by MitchDore.com and grab a microfiber. I'm going to take my microfiber and wipe all this off, and I can't wait to transform this car into something new. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. Look at that, already cleaner. If you guys have never driven a little Lotus, you have to get out and drive one of these. It's such a go-kart. The steering wheel is so dang small. You'd never believe how small it is. Also, check this out. Look at that little boost gauge. Look at that. Ooh, that's awesome. AEM, baby, that's my favorite stuff. So Gabriella walks up and she goes, "It looks so sick!" From every angle, she says, from every angle. Dang, that's my little toy. I opened the door and then I closed the door. When I closed the door, a bunch of dust went up all over everywhere. It's pretty cold today. I'm actually really cold. Unfortunately, I think, yeah, so this is just, I mean, it is just constantly scraping. It actually broke my little tie string that I did, so it is what it is. I mean, it is on the ground, so. So anyways, we were able to make it to the gas station. I do want to put more air in the tires. That's my next thing to do, is put some air in the tires. As you can see, it's pretty dangerous. Gabriel's bringing the Evo over, all dope. Okay, so let's get some 92 octane.
Like anything's dragging. You said that it might be the underbelly or like...
Yeah, I don't know what that was earlier, yeah.
But it doesn't look like there's anything touching where we're driving. It's like it's falling behind. Not mean, Jelly Bean?
I know what you mean, Jelly Bean. First fill up in the turbo Lotus Elise.
Did you get the right gas is the real question.
I did, 92. And it's from Chevron, which everyone likes Chevron. And we put, I don't know if I filmed that last time, but we did put octane booster in it.
Techron.
Techron.
Advanced technology. Sit in the Evo, it's warm.
Yeah. So we just filled up the gas, $23, 6 gallons.
So that's it. I might top it off a little bit. Oh, there's a lot more now going into it. Let's see how long it goes for. Oh, there it was. I don't know what the fuel capacity is on this tank. So we were able to get 10, so it's 3 more gallons. Oh, now it's filling topped off. Yeah, I think Josh said it has about a 10, on his Exige you can get about 10 gallons into it. Alright, I'm okay with that. We'll leave it like that. No! Good thing I got my Mitch Dore chamois on my paint here. I don't even know if I want to do this. Oh my gosh, that is insane. It is just like, this paint is, this is crazy. This would be one of those Chris Fix videos where you fix it, the paint or whatever, or someone who's a detailer. What's that guy, Ammo NYC? He would love to detail this thing to make it look new. It is just filthy.
Honest though, the car's really quiet. The engine's really quiet. It's really nice. But, woo! That's a neck. It breaks some necks. What'd they say?
It's free over in the corner.
Oh, cool. We got free air, so we're gonna go put some air in the tires.
All right, so we're able to get some air, which is awesome. So push for air, and then first time ever, girlfriend's cleaning the windshield. I was telling her I had dreams like this when I was young. This is what I always wanted, just like this. This is awesome. Little grocery getter. So let's put some air in it and then we'll be back on the road. She's cleaning the windshield because she's amazing. You can even do the, oh my gosh, look at the difference. Woo, that was a lot. Okay, so we're, she cleaned the windshield, look at that, that's so nice. Let's put this back down so I can actually see. I'm gonna follow her and she's gonna follow me as we get on the highway. I might as well just clone it like this and be like, you know what? It's a ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. There goes my parked car. All right.
Swipe at the
RIP,
card.
RIP. Swipe at the credit card. Ready? Off we go. All right, so the gas light's off. We got a full tank of gas. We got 10 gallons in there. Temperature is 168 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're following the Mitsubishi Evolution onto the highway. So here we go. I might give it a little bit of a pull. I did feel that all the tires up, so it does feel much better in the handling. But here we're merging on. I just hope that the clam stays off the ground. So there goes the Evo. We got an S2000 behind us. And all right, I guess we're just slowly merging on. This car is super quick. All right, unfortunately we had to make a pit stop for Ruffles.
Snacks!
For snacks. No. The front lip was just slapping on the ground on the highway and I couldn't go very far. So we pulled over and luckily there was a store that had giant zip ties. Oh, well, one of them just came loose. I'll have to retie that one. But I'm doing 2 zip ties to hold this thing up and it'll keep it off. I can now put my foot underneath there, so we'll be good. So let's go ahead and see if this works. I'll tighten that one back up and then we'll be back on the road. All right, so you can now see the zip ties hanging off the front of the car, but the front lip is up. It shouldn't scrape at all anymore. And we should be able to make it back. So I headed back to the highway. Very eventful. Boogie, force-fed turbo kit, baby. That has a sidewinder on there. What do you know about them zip tie life though? That's when you know you have a race car, zip ties. Hashtag zip tie. Whoa. Oh, that thing is beastly. Yo, is that Evo? Of Gabriella doing some flybys. My car sounds, the Evo sounds amazing. This car is unreal. This is unreal. This force fed kit is unreal. Oh my god. gosh, that is just crazy. This is so fun. This is awesome. Look at that. Everyone loves it. That's awesome. This thing breaks. This is absolutely crazily insane about how many necks this little thing breaks. It is awesome. It's so comfortable too. They're really comfortable once you get in them. Now getting in and out is, and everyone always says that, but getting in and out of them is not fun. But once you get in this car, it is awesome. Good time. Quite funny, there's a bunch of cobwebs in the car right here, like a spider, because that's been driven so long. But the carbon fiber on the back wing is starting to look insane as the sun comes out and hits it. Woo! And that's the Evo back there. It's a good day, fellas, good day. Work hard. Everything you do, if you work hard, put your nose down and just grind, things come true. I promise you, I promise you. Just keep on doing the same hard work over and over. Whatever your craft is, just do it repetitively, over and over until you become the best at whatever you're doing, and you'll be successful. Everyone's just breaking their necks. Look at this Subi. Okay, so we've been in the car for about 45 minutes now. It's actually starting to rain. How crazy is that? But this giant windshield does work. Check this out. Oh my gosh, I think hasn't been changed in a million years. But hey, this I guess is the first car wash for this car. We'll get some of that dirt, wash away all the sins of the Lotus Elise, and we'll have a nice fresh Lotus. Let's see how this looks once we get all that dirt off of it from the rain. Seattle rain coming in to help us out. That's crazy. All right, still just cruising here. Been in the far right lane. These tires are like really old, which makes me very nervous. In addition to the old tires, it is pouring outside. So this is just, I think this is actually what happened with the front end clam. I mean, the car still has a clean title because he never turned it into insurance. I mean, which is good, but unfortunately that's what happened. What happened to the clam is that I was told that he was driving on a rainy day like this, and then the car is so dang quick. He probably just stepped on it a little bit, and that being said, it went sideways, and then he bumped the car in front of him or whatever happened, and that's why there's the front clam damage. So that being said, I'm gonna just take it really easy, nice and slow, and be slow and courteous. And it's not like the Evo. The Evo can just march through all this stuff. All right, so we've made it home. Wow, it is just awesome. I cannot wait to put all this content for like the next couple years on YouTube. No one really does too much Lotus Elise or any Lotus Turbo stuff, especially a Lotus Turbo. There are quite a few superchargers out there, but a Lotus Elise Turbo, what? This is awesome. I have a lot of plans for the car, but like I said earlier, in I think last video or earlier in this video, I just want to get it to like show condition and truly love this car and appreciate it. I live in a great area that this is a great weekend warrior car. Very blessed to have this car, very blessed to have found this car. It's just an awesome car. I love it so much. It's truly would change your mind. There's Gabriella. Okay, so we are back home. We were able to do it. Here's my MR2 in the background. I love this car so much. I love my Celica so much. But I've always wanted the Lotus. The Lotus is the pinnacle of the 2ZZ. The Lotus Turboed is above and beyond. That's God mode. That's it. You've done it all. Like, that's cool. So I'm very blessed, fortunate to have achieved that in my life. I just want to give you guys this one advice. Whatever you do, whatever you try to do, stick to it and become the best at whatever you do. You'll be successful. You'll be recognized for that. If you jump around to a bunch of different jobs, a bunch of different things, a bunch of different everything, you'll be really mediocre at everything, which you don't want to be. Just be good at one thing. Be really good at it. That's my good advice. That's where my success comes from. Where does your success come from? Hard work and just doing the same thing over and over until it starts to turn its head around and really bring you benefits. That being said, here's my beautiful MR2 with its turboed right there. The Lotus makes everything feel super big, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're excited as much as I am. So much to come on that car. Absolutely love it. If you guys like 2ZZs, again, MR2, 2ZZ swapped, there it is for you. Turbo swap, there it is for you. Celica 2ZZ, there it is outside for you. Oh, I don't have it here. There it is outside for you. And now a Lotus or a Lotus Turbo Elise 2ZZ for you. This is the channel for you. Make sure to like, subscribe, guys. I'll see you on the next video.